Okay, so today we're going to learn a little bit more about parallel lives, which is the piece that we've put together, the De Montfort-Tycho group. This part is called the drill bit. It is based on some exercises and drills that are available on the internet, but we have put them in the middle of our piece, so I'm going to teach you them. So first of all, we're just going to play 16 beats like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So just starting with the right hand. Ready and so re. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So re. Okay, great. Now this time I'm going to do the same, but we're going to play our first beat really loud in our sets of 8. So just watch. So re. 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so we're going to do that 4 times. Ready and so re. 1, 2. Brilliant. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and the 1 is loud. So that's the first part of our drill bit. Practice that, see how you get on.